The government moved to amend the Motor Vehicles and Road Traffic Act by way of a bill to the National Assembly on Monday. Piloting the bill, Home Affairs Minister Robeson Benn said that one of the measures is body cameras, but there are other problems.
One of the big issues that we have is speeding on the roads. Speeding, according to the International Road Traffic experts, speeding is a particular issue beyond the speed limits, and speeding in our statistics, when they talk about accidents, relate to 75% plus of accidents on our roads.
And there is a question of impaired driving. This would include drunk driving and driving while using a cell phone. The records show that speeding accounts for 75% of the traffic accidents.
We know that with the removal of bias, with the further encouragement of the use of seat belts, that we would be able to make a dramatic improvement in the question of road traffic accidents and safety on the roads.
He said that the government also plans to introduce electronic means to catch violators. These would include cameras and radars. Member of Parliament Amanzo Walton Desir said the carnage on the road is of concern to all.
We have to balance the benefits of technology with the need to protect individual rights and to ensure equitable application. Because this is indeed, as highlighted by the member before me, a challenge as we go along.
But there is the issue of data privacy.
It has to be the balancing of privacy concerns. And I know that in every jurisdiction that this type of technology has been used, the issue of data privacy has been on the forefront. I know earlier this year we passed a bill or an act related to data and the processing of data. The applicability of that to the current context is something that we need to discuss. That is the government that had a PS with a cell phone attached to all of the cameras around. That is the government.
He queried how the authorities plan to manage unauthorized access to data. There must be a robust public education program, she said. Then the bill states that every holder of a driver's license must submit a phone number to GRA.
Are we all to crowd at the GRA office, wherever they may be around the country, to provide that information? Can you see how that could lead to serious congestion and loss of time?
But there are other serious issues. The bill provides for tickets to be sent to cell phones and to emails.
The bill proposes to send tickets along with violations to cell phones and emails. And yes, this obtains in other jurisdictions, but I hasten to make the point that those jurisdictions have on the back end very robust data protection and transmission regimes. We are proposing to send tickets with photographs to cell phones and to emails. And this, of course, Madam Speaker, introduces additional risks. So, for example, sensitive information, photographs, personal details, could be exposed if the communication channels are not secured, or if, for example, the recipient's device or email is compromised.
Tickets could be sent to the wrong email. There is also the issue of email scams.